let's talk about it.
What? Dance.
Go. No, I want you to order.
Okay, I'm gonna order.
Hello.
How are you? May I take your order, please?
Can I?
Ikakale me caramel frap, small caramel frap, mesulu.
Hey, bro. I didn't say 3. I said Minute Maid.
Oh, so give my L Minute Maid. Mario caramel frappe, L Minute Maid slushy.
Hello.
So can you say Mario small frappe, L caramel frappe.
Is that Latricia?
Yeah.
Hey, Latricia.
Hey, Kalan, what's the other one?
Minute Maid slushy.
You want a fruit punch?
Yeah, bro.
Anything else?
No.
Lisa.
That's
Alright, just one caramel frappe and a small fruit punch.
Uh-huh.
25 cents, but no.
it. Alright,
Hello.
bro. And then when a car comes, it's gonna make it think that the wheels are getting slow.
Go that to the side.
What's gonna happen?
Hey, tell them what's gonna happen.
They're gonna run over and it's gonna get in that tire.
And it sounds like it's got a fly and it's gonna stop.
Oh.
One dude stopped right over there.
He's getting back, so we start dipping.
He stopped and turned it off.
The invisible rubber is funnier though. The invisible rubber is like somebody about to stop him.
Some guy was about to stop him.
Here, go bring
All right, chill, just everyone. Watch how it sounds.
Oh, they going slow, bro. Crap you. What? Bro, they ain't even
That's-
know.
Can we go by tape?
Those is gangsters, bro. Go, go, go. They're not turning.
Stopping.